Are going for a walk. We're going to be picking up packages, and I'm going to be filming, I believe, 3 videos. Stop by the house, grab our mailbox. So this week is Chris's last week for the... Hey guys, so I'm hanging out with Liam. He's over there. We're going to be hanging out until he falls asleep. It's 1 o'clock, so hopefully he'll fall asleep, I don't know, sometime before 4 o'clock. And then I'm just going to rip everything out of the closet, and we're going to do a closet organization. I'm going to ask Chris if I can buy a little like tripod stand for my camera, or if I can get that one, or if I can just get one of the GoPro little stands, because I want to start shooting. I'm pretty much a loner with Liam. Anyway, I got a whole list of stuff that I want to film for you guys, so I'm going to hang out with Mr. Liam. Alright guys, don't judge me, but apparently. So travel bags, electronics, partial bathroom stuff. Like, this is the stuff literally that they gave me when I was giving birth to Liam. That's like postpartum stuff. And then like, that's what's going on. So let's get this started, shall we? Sorry guys about the lighting. We actually bought this for the closet, but okay, so this is Chris's shelf. This is medical supplies like hydrogen peroxide and like rubbing alcohol. And so this is Chris's shelf right here. These are quarters. This is more medical supplies. This is just like pain spray. This is face wash, masks, foot masks, bath balls, a bunch of things. And this is also Chris's shaver that I bought him and all of his supplies. We have a toothbrush in there because he brushes everything off. And this is also like extra shavers, toothbrushes, and dental floss. Let's go down here. And then this is all of our important paperwork. These are cups for our back. I used these a lot when I was pregnant and even before. Chris's massager. We have phone case covers. This is stretch mark cream for my belly because I have no stretch marks. This is spray for the house. A bunch of candles, extra lotions, soaps, hand soaps, candles. It's kind of that section. And then this is all of like Liam's 6 months stuff. 6 or 6 months to 9 months. And this is just like kind of paperwork, duct tape, nail polish. This is where Liam's towels go and washcloths go. And back there are just her shoes. Guys, Chris is home. He's looking at me like I'm a crazy person, which I am. But this is the smallest P.O.Box unboxing. Chris said that I could buy something, so I decided to buy these magnetic eyelashes because I'm going to start doing my makeup. I'm just waiting for the lipstick to come in.
Yay!
Yay! And so I'm really excited. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to put those on, where I got them, if they work out for me or not, but I'll do a little short video. And then also, this is really important for Liam. It's first words. And these cards have fabric on them.